Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from chapter 3 of 11th standard, Motion in a Plane. And today is not problem solving session or problem questionnaire session. That is, 7 questions will be given in this session, and next session we will solve the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 1. A and B are two vectors and theta is the angle between them. If A cross B equal to root 3 into A dot B, then the value of theta is dash. Option A, 60 degree. Option B, 45 degree. Option C, 30 degree. D option, 90 degree. Here you should know the formula for A cross B and A dot B. That is cross product and dot product. By knowing the formula, you will solve this question. Let's move to question number 2. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? A, speed. B, velocity. C, torque. D, displacement. Here you should know what is vector quantity. By knowing that, and what's the example of vector quantity? By knowing these things, you will solve this question. Let's move to question number 3. The horizontal range and the maximum height of a projectile are equal. Then the angle of projection of the projectile is dash. A option, theta equal to tan inverse of 1 by 4. B option, theta equal to tan inverse of just 4. C option, theta equal to tan inverse of 2. D option, theta equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Here you should know the formula for horizontal range. Also formula for maximum height. By knowing the formula only, you will derive for angle of projection, and then you can solve this question. Let's move to question number 4. A missile is fired for maximum range with an initial velocity of 20 meter per second. If g equal to 10 meter per second square given, then the range of the missile is dash. A option 50 meter, B option 60 meter, C option 20 meter, D option 40 meter. Here you should know the formula for range and maximum range also. Then only you can apply the formula and simplify this solution. Let's move to question number 5. A particle starting from the origin 0, 0 moves in a straight line in the xy plane. Its coordinates at a later time are 3, 3. The path of the particle makes with the x-axis an angle of dash. Option A 30 degree, B option 45 degree, C option 60 degree, D option 0 degree. Here you should know the formula for the angle. By knowing this, you can solve this question. Let's move to question number 6. The maximum range of a gun of horizontal terrain is 16 km. If g equal to 10 meter per second square, then muzzle velocity of a shell must be dash. A 160 meter per second, B option 200 meter per second, C option 400 meter per second, and D option 800 meter per second. Here you should know the formula for maximum range or max. By knowing the formula and substituting, you are able to solve this solution. Let's move to last question. In the given figure, A equal to 15 meter per second square represents the total acceleration of a particle moving in the clockwise direction in a circle of radius r equal to 2.5 meter at a given instant of time. The speed of the particle is dash. A option 4.5 meter per second, B option 5.0 meter per second, B option 5.7 meter per second, last option 6.2 meter per second. Here you should know the formula for speed of the particle using the acceleration, radius and all. By knowing this, you will solve this question. Okay, thank you students. In next session, we will solve the solution for these 7 questions.